this is a Kone. It's an eco space, and also by Otis. So we've got all the levels here. There guys. We're on the ground at the moment. Should add to the ground. That's the actual car itself. Very nice. So yes. Anyway. So we're on the second floor. And we're going back to parking 2 again. Very nice. Bad at 8 persons, 630 kilograms, made in 2000. Got the Kone logo, got the indicator. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Eco space. And there we are, parking 2. Thank you.